Oh my gosh, yo.
My hand was on my butt.
Come on, Glory. No, no more. Babe, like. Oh my gosh. That was on my kneecap. I'm cooking! Really? I'm cooking! Nasty, man.
Oh! Oh, I need to fart. You hear that?
That's why the baby's crying, because you farted.
I wasn't gassy at all yesterday. I was like, yo, this would happen. I wasn't gassy one bit. And then I felt it coming and I ran. I ran as fast as I could to the toilet. And I went. They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
Thursday video?
No, you're not doing it again.